Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
This is noodles.
This is noodles.
This is soup.
This is soup.
This is sushi.
This is sushi.
This is pizza.
This is pizza.
This is a burger.
This is a burger.
This is a hot dog.
This is a hot dog.
This is a sandwich.
This is a sandwich.
This is pasta.
This is pasta.
This is a salad.
This is a salad.
This is a steak.
This is a steak.
This is rice.
This is rice.
This is chicken.
This is chicken.
This is fish.
This is fish.
These are eggs.
These are eggs.
These are pancakes.
These are pancakes.
These are waffles.
These are waffles.
This is bread.
This is bread.
This is toast.
This is toast.
This is cheese.
This is cheese.
This is butter.
This is butter.
This is jam.
This is jam.
This is honey.
This is honey.
This is cereal.
This is cereal.
These are oats.
These are oats.
This is milk.
This is milk.
This is juice.
This is juice.
This is coffee.
This is coffee.
This is tea.
This is tea.
This is water.
This is water.
This is lemonade.
This is lemonade.
This is a smoothie.
This is a smoothie.
This is ice cream.
This is ice cream.
This is cake.
This is cake.
These are cookies.
These are cookies.
These are muffins.
These are muffins.
These are cupcakes.
These are cupcakes.
These are donuts.
These are donuts.
These are brownies.
These are brownies.
This is chocolate.
This is chocolate.
This is candy.
This is candy.
This is popcorn.
This is popcorn.
These are chips.
These are chips.
These are fries.
These are fries.
These are tacos.
These are tacos.
This is a burrito.
This is a burrito.
These are nachos.
These are nachos.
This is a quesadilla.
This is a quesadilla.
This is guacamole.
This is guacamole.
This is salsa.
This is salsa.
This is a kebab.
This is a kebab.
This is shawarma.
This is shawarma.
This is hummus.
This is hummus.
These are falafels.
These are falafels.
These are dumplings.
These are dumplings.
These are spring rolls.
These are spring rolls.
This is dim sum.
This is dim sum.
This is fried rice.
This is fried rice.
This is curry.
This is curry.
This is naan.
This is naan.
This is yogurt.
This is yogurt.
This is a popsicle.
This is a popsicle.
This is a sundae.
This is a sundae.
This is a pie.
This is a pie.
This is an apple pie.
This is an apple pie.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.